Good day. This is SO 305, Lecture 8, Measures of Central Tendency, Median. Introduction. The second most frequently encountered measure of central tendency is the median. Usually, the median is used for data sets where the mean does not provide a good representative value. In a situation of extreme values in a set of data, the mean is not properly placed at the center. Hence, the median is used to provide a better measure of central tendency. Objectives. At the end of this lecture, you should be able to 1. Define what the median is, and 2. Calculate the median for grouped and ungrouped data. Pre-test. What do you understand by the median in statistics? 2. What are the properties of the median? Content. The median. Another measure of central tendency which is used in statistics is the median. The median, as the name implies, is that value in a set of observations which, after ordering according to magnitude, has an equal number of observations above and below it. This implies that 50% of the observations are above the median and the remaining 50% are below. The median also is called the fifth percentile. It is a backup measure of central tendency that is used in situations where the mean does not work well. Properties of the median. There are two properties of the median worth mentioning. 1. The median is less sensitive than the mean to extreme scores. Since the median is not responsive to each individual score, but rather divides the distribution in half, it is not as sensitive to extreme scores as it is the mean. 2. Under usual circumstances, the median is more subjective to sampling variability than the mean, but less subjective to sampling variability than the mode. Because the median is usually less stable than the mean from sample to sample, it is not as useful in inferential statistics. 1. Median of ungrouped data. Median computations under ungrouped data can be done under two conditions. 1. Distribution having odd numbers of observations. The calculation of the median is very simple. For example, to calculate the median for a set of scores 27, 40, 25, 21, 14, which are odd numbers in number, is thus: first, rearrange in descending or ascending order. 14, 21, 25, 27, 40. The middle value is the median, that is 25. 2. Distribution having even numbers of observations. If there had been even observations, for instance, 14, 21, 25, 27, 27, 40, then the median will be the summation of the two middle observations divided by 2. For example, 14, 21, 25, 27, 27, 40 after rearrangement. Median equals to summation of the two middle observations divided by 2 equals to 25 plus 27 divided by 2 equals to 52 divided by 2 equals 26. 2. The median of grouped data. The median of a frequency distribution with class interval is illustrated with a worked example. Find the median for table 11. Steps to solution. 1. Retain columns 1, 2, and 3. 2. Create column 4, which is cumulative frequency column. 3. Create column 5 as class boundary. 4. Calculate half of the total number of observations is equal to n divided by 2. Solution. Using the next formula to solve for table 14. L plus bracket N over 2 minus FC all over FM close bracket C, where L equals to lower boundary limit of the median class 39.5, N equals to the total number of observations in bracket 40, FC equals to cumulative frequency up to the median class 14, FM equals to frequency of the median class 7, C width of class interval 5. I. First determine the median. For example, N divided by 2 is equal to 40 divided by 2 is equal to 28th observation. 2. 28th observation is used to determine the class interval after due consultation of the cumulative frequency. 3. From column 4 above, 28th observation falls into the class interval 40 to 44 and class boundary 39.5 to 44.5. 4. The values are thus derived. L equals to 39.5, N equals to 40, FC equals to 14, FM equals to 7, C equals to 5. 5. Substituting equals to 39.5 plus bracket 40 divided by 2 minus 14 divided by 7 close bracket 5 equals to 39.5 plus 20 minus 14 all over 7 close bracket 5 equals to 39.5 plus 6 divided by 7 close bracket 5 equals to 39.5 plus 4.286. Median equals to 43.786. Summary. In this lecture, we have discussed the median as a measure of central tendency. Median is the scale value below which 50% of the scores fall. For the ungrouped data, it is the central value of observation after rearrangement either in ascending or descending order. For the group data, it is L plus in bracket N all over 2 minus FC all over FM close bracket C. We have come to the end of study session 8. Thanks for listening.